Hello, welcome to Ref Sports. This is Mohor Chaudhary, and right now I'm standing here at the Dhanno Dhanya Auditorium in Kolkata, covering the Tata Steel Chess Rapid and Blitz Open Tournament 2026. Day one just got over, and I would like to talk to you all a little bit about what unfolded today. Today was an interesting day full of important nail-biting matches, and of course we would have to talk about some highlights of the day. Arjun Erigaisi is one such name that we're all aware of, but he didn't have, quite a good day as compared to the rest of. Like if you look at his ranking as far as the rapid format is concerned, he did not have that great of a day. He was defeated twice. He did manage to make a comeback in the last round, which gives him some sort of hope for the next day. But still, considering the quality that he has, it was very disappointing for the fans. Definitely, we have to talk about stalwart Vishwanathan Anand, who also graced the occasion. And not just that, he currently holds the #1 position along with Hans Niemann from USA. Definitely, a lot of other talented, young players had played, like Pragnanandha, for instance, VE and Wesley So, and a lot of other people had joined. Also, if we have to talk about the women's round, today was not that great of a day for, as far as the Indian women were concerned. The #1 position is now held by Carissa Yip. #2, if we talk about #2, it is definitely an Indian. Her name is Vantika Agarwal, and she performed quite well today as compared to the others. Harika and Divya Deshmukh are two such names that we all know when it comes to chess, but they were not able to perform. They were not up to the mark today. They both have 1 point each by the end of day one, and Vaishali is also one such player who is at the bottom of the list with only 0.5 points. So this is the wrap from day one. I am very excited to find out what unfolds tomorrow, and yes, stay tuned to Ref Sports for more such updates regarding the Tata Steel Chess Tournament.